Hello friends, I'm Abhishek and you are watching Tech Review Pro. If you ever needed the library folder, for example to find out the iPhone's backup on your Mac, but you couldn't find that folder anywhere, then how you will find it? Let's learn in today's video. Friends, I will show you three main methods to find the library folder. First of all, go to your desktop. Then from the top menu, select Go and choose Go to folder. After opening it, you might see that the path for library is already in my Mac. I can just press return to open my backup folder inside the library. However, if I go back from this folder, the library folder will disappear again. To see the folder again, you have to select Go to the folder and input the library path. To do that, press Shift plus tilde, which is the button above the tab key on your keyboard. With the tilde, type library, and as soon as you press return, the library folder will open. Now you can easily check for the iPhone backup folder inside the library. However, the first method is quite difficult to do repeatedly. So let me tell you the easiest method. Click on the Go in the menu bar, and when the menu options appears, press the Option key on your Mac keyboard. You will see the library folder appear in the menu. You can click on it to open it, but the problem is that as soon as you go back, this folder will disappear again. Alright friends, now let's learn the third method to view permanently library folders on your Mac. First, open Finder and then go to Users. After that, select your home folder. Your Mac's home folder is where all your files are saved under your username, like Aviteki in my case. Once you are there, click on the view from the menu options, which is in the top right corner, and then select Show View Options. Now, in these settings, you have to select and enable Show Library folder. Now, whenever you open Finder, the library folder will always be visible in your home folder. By the way friends, if you don't see the Show Library folder option in Show View Options, it means you are not in the home folder. So friends, this was the way to find and view the library folder on your Mac. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please hit the like button and do subscribe to the Tech Review Pro channel for such videos.